Friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. So from today we have started the YouTube membership program, and I think this is a golden opportunity for all of you, those who want to start their career in the Oracle DBA field as well as a Hadoop developer. So what you are getting as a YouTube membership program. So there are 4 important things which you will get if you are the part of YouTube membership program. The first thing is related to the job vacancies. So whenever there is any vacancies related to the Hadoop developer or as a Oracle DBA, I am going to post it into the community section of YouTube so that you will get the access and you can directly apply to that job. That is the first important feature of YouTube membership program. Second thing is, I am going to talk about all those stuffs, like whenever Saturday or Sunday I am coming live on the YouTube. So if you are asking me any questions, your questions will get the first priority, and I am definitely going to reply to your questions because you are the part of YouTube membership program. Third important thing is about this YouTube membership program is related to the videos. So if I come to know that yes, this video is going to play a really important role whenever you go for an Oracle database interview, then I am going to record that video and I am going to send it to you, that link, into the community section of YouTube. So that YouTube video will be accessible to only YouTube membership program. Okay, apart from this, it will not be accessible to anyone. Fourth important feature of this YouTube membership program is related to the Oracle support. So what is this about? Whenever I'm working as an Oracle DBA, I faced a lot of issues. So I'm going to write down the blocks. So there will be 2 things will be there. First one is your problem. Second one will be your solution. So whenever we find as a Oracle DBA anything related to the any issue related to the Oracle DBA or Hadoop, I am going to write down the blocks, and that block accessible only with the YouTube membership program. So these are all 4 important features that I am going to provide you as a part of YouTube membership program. Now, how to join this YouTube membership program? If you go to my channel, then you will find the button called join will be there. So one button is subscribe and another button will be join. So you just need to click on that join button. And what is the fee? Fee is very nominal. It's 159 rupees, Indian rupees. And if you ask me in USD, it is around $2 per month only, not more than that. And I think if you want to grow up your career as a Oracle DBA or as a Hadoop developer, this $2 is nothing for you, right? So let me know if you have questions, and I think this is a golden opportunity for all of you guys to join this YouTube membership program. So let's get started, and please share my channel with all the people, those who want to start their career into the IT industry. Alright, bye bye. See you again with the next video.